This video is for Class 9th English Literature. William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. Today I will explain Act 1, Scene 1. The scene opens in the street of Venice. The story begins like Antonio, a rich Venetian merchant, is visited by his friends Celerino and Selenio and tell them that he is sad. Celerino describes his sadness to his anxiety about his merchant ships at the sea. Antonio must be worried about their safety. Antonio, however, does not agree with the statement. Then Celerino says that he is sad because he is in love. Antonio rejects this suggestion as well. Celerino then says he is sad because he is not merry. Antonio says that he views the world as a stage on which he has been called to play a role of sad person. Antonio's other friends, Bassanio, Lorenzo, and Gratiano, appear on the scene. After Selenino and Selenio have left, Gratiano too finds Antonio sad. Gratiano thinks that there are some persons who try to look sad to show that they are wise. Such persons prove to be foolish when they open their mouths. Gratiano advises Antonio not to fall a prey to sadness which consumes a man. His own philosophy is that one should eat, drink, and be merry, and that he tries to follow it. He does not want to look old in the prime of his life and then leaves the place. Bassanio tells Antonio not to attach any importance to Gratiano's words because he mostly talks nonsense. Antonio then asks Bassanio to tell him which lady he wanted to visit secretly in order to win her in love. Bassanio tells him that he has spent a lot of money by maintaining a rich standard of life. He expresses his gratitude to Antonio for always helping him with money. Antonio assures him that all his wealth and even his life are at his disposal if his plan is honorable. Antonio asks Bassanio to speak out his mind frankly. Bassanio tells him that he has fallen in love with a beautiful and rich lady of Belmont and that she too has responded to his love. Her name is Portia. She is a beautiful and virtuous woman. He wants to go there in order to win her as his wife. He requests Antonio to lend him some money so that he could visit that lady. Antonio tells him that he does not have ready money at that moment because he has invested all his money in the merchant ships. So the best thing is that he should raise a loan from the market on his behalf. So here we have come to an end of Act 1, Scene 1. I will be sending you character sketch and paraphrase of Act 1, Scene 1. Read it very carefully and then do the questions.